In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see your Discord password on iPhone. To check or see your Discord password on iPhone, it's very simple and easy to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings on my iPhone. Just tap on settings. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down to the extreme bottom. So once you scroll to the extreme bottom, you are going to see apps over there. I want you to tap on that apps. Once you tap on the apps, it is going to load up another page for you. On this page, you want to look for passwords. You just want to scroll to the middle to see where we have passwords. So let's scroll down. 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 So as you can see, this is it. We have passwords over here. So I want you to tap on that passwords. So once you tap on the passwords, it's going to bring out another page for you. On this page, you want to scroll down to the extreme bottom again. So on this page, if you check the extreme bottom, you are going to see open passwords over there. So let's tap on that open passwords. Once you tap on the open passwords, it's going to take you to your password manager on your iPhone. On this page, what I want you to do here, I want you to tap on all. The first place we have here, we have all. So tap on this all. Once you tap on this all, I want you to scroll to where we are. Okay, if you check the middle here, you are going to see Discord. I want you to tap on this Discord. So once you tap on the Discord, it's going to take you to this final page. On this page, you just want to tap on password just once. Once you tap on the password once, it will reveal your Discord password for you. So guys, this is how you can actually check your Discord password if you forgot it on iPhone. Thanks for watching.